Recent events have shown Baltimoreans how important the port is for our economy and how connected we are to imports and exports moved on ships.
In fact, 90% of everything we use on a daily basis travel by ship and has been managed and handled by dozens of people.
The goal of the Maritime Pathway Digital Harbor is twofold or two-part. First, to give the students a foundational knowledge of what the maritime industry is like. The second part of the goal is to prepare students for possible careers within the maritime industry by visiting work sites, going on board some ships, helping them earn certifications so that employers will be looking to hire them, and connecting them with people who work in the industry.
Whether your interest is working on the ship, working in the shipyard, or one of the many supply chain occupations around the Port of Baltimore, the MTT pathway could be a very good opportunity for you, leading to an internship at one of our partners like the US Coast Guard.
This is the most important part.
We're very proud of our partnership with the Baltimore school system because they provide us with the employees we need to fill the over 500 skilled trade jobs in the maritime industry that we provide here at the Yard.
And it really gives you the opportunity to push yourself. You might find a passion there. You might find something that you really enjoy.
Learn new things, just experience things that you might not experience. We do get paid for the internship.
Yeah, this is my second year back and I'm grateful to be back. I want to now get a job here as well as help with the internship in the future. It's building bond, family, people you never thought you'll know.
As these interns develop and ultimately have permanent positions here, they're able to advance into leadership positions and management within the trade.
I didn't know nothing. I was clueless, but I picked up pretty much fast. If something needed to get done, they come get me to get it because I'm gonna knock it out.
We have had a number of great success stories of internships from the city of Baltimore that have come here and their careers have gone in many different directions based on the desires of those students.
I'm on my second home, my fifth car, doing good as far as financially.
Local community college programs can extend your knowledge base, practical experience, and provide certifications that will help you build your resume and lead to a career.
Here at the Community College of Baltimore County, you can earn the necessary credentials needed to start your career in the supply chain, transportation, and maritime logistics industries. Vetted by local industry employers, CCBC offers academic certificates and industry certifications to give you the skills and the credentials that you need towards a lucrative and prosperous career. You may also qualify for free funding to help you in your pursuit.
If technology is your main interest, there are many opportunities around the port, driving and connecting the maritime industry. Artificial intelligence and other forms of technology are being used every day to make our supply chain more efficient and productive. Port cities like Baltimore and all around the U.S. provide a whole variety of career opportunities.
If you are interested in working or around ships or even trains and trucks, the Maritime Transportation and Technology program could be a CTE pathway for you.
These trades are things that are high demand within our country and extremely valuable.
We're currently recruiting students for the 2025 school year. Contact us at bgrafe@bcps.k12.md.us.